Dog bed give your dogs a comfortable place to sleep. It is also a place where they leave their hair, saliva, dirt, and germs. Regularly cleaning your dog bed is important to help ensure that your pet stays clean, happy, and healthy. You can wash your dog bed by using some given methods to give your pet a safe and comfortable place to rest. Take a soft brush and clean your dog bed. It will help to remove all the dead skin and fungus of your dog's body. Then vacuum your dog's bed. It will help to remove dog's hair, because before washing it is very important to remove dog's hair from bed. You can use baking soda to wash your dog's bed. It will remove dog's smell from bed easily. Simply sprinkle baking soda over the entire surface and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then vacuum the baking soda. It will remove bad odors easily from your dog bed. Simply unzip the cover, remove any inserts, and put into the washing machine with light colors. Wash it in warm water. That will remove all the bacteria and bugs that could harm your dog's health. Take a soft cloth, wash it with normal water. Simply rub it properly on all sides of dog bed. Now take the inner bed cushion out and start by vacuuming off any dirt and dog hair. When all dirt is removed by brush or vacuum cleaner, then take a bucket, add water in it and add detergent. Now dip the cloth in detergent and rub it on bed properly. Then wash and dry it. All smell and hair will be removed from the bed. Upholstery and carpet cleaner is also a good option to clean your dog's bed conveniently and remove the tough stains quickly. Bissell Little Green Upholstery Cleaner removes tough pet spots and stains from carpets, dog beds and more. It has powerful suction to easily remove dirty paw prints from all types of surfaces. This portable deep cleaner is lightweight, so you can use it almost anywhere. So by using these methods and taking preventive measures, you can successfully wash your dog's bed easily.